Hey everyone, so we're back today with a new unboxing video. This time we're unboxing the Samyang 35mm 1.4 lens along with my favorite sidekick, the ND filter. So let's dive right in. Just like the 85mm lens, Samyang's packaging is quite premium. So when you open the box, the first thing you see is a thank you note, which is always great to see. And it comes with a really nice foam protector protecting the contents of the box. Along with that, you'll see a user manual which gives you all the details of the lens and a very nice cushion lens carry pouch, which is great if you don't want to carry your carry bag with you. This is a perfect alternative. And here comes the gorgeous 35mm lens. Just look at the build quality of this lens. It feels super solid and very well made. So the lens barrel has a very smooth matte finish, giving it a sleek and very professional look. The superior image quality and versatility of this lens makes this a perfect photographer's choice. The lens hood also sits very conveniently at the top, making it very easy to take off and put on and feels absolutely amazing. Again, like the 85mm, this lens also has a very simple slide for the manual and autofocus along with the focus lock. So moving on right to the variable filter. The ND filter basically gives you the freedom to shoot any time of the day. It's very easy to attach to the lens and can be screwed right onto the top, and the best part of this is the lens cover sits right on top of the ND filter. Once you have your ND filter attached onto the lens, it's very easy to adjust the intensity based on your liking. The standout feature of this lens basically is its wide aperture, allowing perfect low light performance, creating stunning pictures. I'll be dropping in pictures taken from this lens. Feel free to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.